How to disable pop-ups on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable pop-ups on Google Chrome in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to the top right here, click on those three dots, and then all what you have to do is scroll down, click on settings, and after you click on settings, click right here on this privacy and security tab. Scroll down and click right here on site settings, and after you click on it, scroll down again and you will find the pop-ups option right here. Click on it and now click here to block the pop-ups. Easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.